everybody, it's Wendy, and today I have the unboxing of the Curated Bead Box Autumn Edition. Now this is for September 2022, and our encouraging word for today is you make the world a better place. That is true. And I also have a friend mail from Beth after this, so if you would like to see that, hang in there and you can see the beautiful things that Beth makes. All right, so let's go ahead and open this. This is Curated Bead Box. It is a monthly beading subscription service. It is delivered straight to your door for $20 a month. And I do have a coupon code. It is Wendy35. That will get you 35% off your first month's box if you want to subscribe. So that would make the first month's box like $13, which is a really great deal. All right, let's open this up. Curated Bead Box is a lot of really pretty glass beads in pretty different sizes, which are a lot of fun. I like this box. Okay, so here's our list if you want to take a look at it. You can go on their website, which is dollarbead.com, and order more of these if you want to. These are the codes that they have for these things. Okay, so we're going to get into it. So the first thing is 12mm khaki red swirl marble glass beads. And I believe that's these, and they have come off of there. They're loose in the box. They are running around, but I think that's these. So let's pull these out. I like these marble swirl beads. I think they're really cool. And they have them in a lot of different colors. There we go. Look how pretty. Beautiful. Love them. And I like that they're 12mm. They put different sizes in here, and I think that's really nice because I tend not to branch out when I buy beads. And so I never get the bigger ones, but I like using the bigger ones. So yeah, these are really pretty and great to have in a 12mm. I'm going to set them up here because I've got strands and stuff everywhere. Okay. Then we have 10mm apple green gold drizzled bead. That has to be this one. And again, really cool bead in a really cool size, 10mm. Those are pretty. They have this, can you see the texturing on them? It is like a drizzled kind of, they're cool. Okay. Then we have 10mm light copper drizzled glass bead. That's this. This is a pretty color. I like that a lot. It looks really nice with these. Yeah, look at that together. Pretty. All right, then we have 8mm deep aqua semi-matte glass bead. Oh, these are pretty. I like these. These are gorgeous. Look at the deep. It says deep aqua. I would have called these deep teal. They don't look aqua to me so much as teal, but they are beautiful. Kind of like a frosted. It says semi-matte. Really pretty. Then we have 8mm yellow gray duo style glass bead. That would be these. There's some more of my 12mm running around in that pile. Okay, so these are the duo style yellow gray glass bead. Very pretty. Then we have a 6mm dark yellow swirl marble style glass bead. These are pretty too. Okay, that's these. And look at all the beads you get on these strands. I mean, these are huge strands of beads. Those are pretty. Marble swirl. Okay. Let's see here. 6mm apple light copper drizzled bead. 6mm. Okay, apple light copper. That must be this one. Yes, it has to be. These are pretty too. Very pretty. I like that they've mixed this apple and light color or light copper, and then they gave us the two in the bigger ones. So look at that. That all goes together perfectly. That's really nice. And they're all these drizzled beads, so that'll make really a cool set of something. Okay. Then we have 4mm mink glass pearl bead. Oh, these are a pretty color too. I like this month's box a lot. So this is a really pretty color, this mink. It's like a, not a mauve, not a tan, it's just not a copper. I don't know. It's pretty, but it looks really good with this. Wow, that looks really good together. So pretty. Mink, okay. Then we have 4mm dark brown crackle glass. That's this. These make great little spacers and look really pretty with these colors. I like these with the big 12mm bead. Pretty. Okay, then we have 10mm green aventurine gemstone bead. That would be these. Nice. Green aventurine. Really pretty. And then we have 6mm green aventurine, which would be this one. And look how good they go together. Yeah, they do. They go together really well. This box, all of it really, the colors go together really well. Very pretty. And then we have 6mm tiger's eye. Wow. I love tiger's eye. Really do. It's just so pretty. So there that is. Then we have a 20x14mm oval bronze metal bead frames. These are fun. So I like bead frames. You can take these beads and put that in this frame, and it just looks cool. And put a couple little seed beads on either end. Oh yeah, and this will fit all of these. The big ones, the small ones, even, well, it won't fit the 12mm, no. But it fits all the others. Well, it sort of fits that. Would it go in there? I bet it would, actually. You know what? That 12mm may just, he does fit in there. So it's a tight squeeze, but he fits. So yeah, these are super cool. I love bead frames. There we go. It just adds so much. So those are really cool. Thank you for those. They always put something unique in their boxes. They really do. And then we have a leaf patina metal pendant in 2 different ones. Oh, these are cute. So this is like an oak leaf, I think, possibly, or maybe maple. I don't know my leaves, but very pretty. And this, I think, is I don't know if it's a lotus. I don't know. But it's pretty, too. And I like this. This is cool with a pendant with a little drop here. You could even hang this leaf from it. Or, oh, that is so cool. I would like to have some more of those. I wonder if they'll sell them on their website. Those are cool. So, yeah, this is great. And then, on top of all that, you get this findings packet. So, this month we have gold. I would have liked to have seen this match these. That would have been nice, like this antique brass or whatever, this bronze. That would have been nice if this matched, but, you know, it's still a great findings packet. Really, really is. So you get memory wire, you get bead stringing wire, you get stretch cord or elastic, you get fish hooks, you get head pins, you get their jump rings, which are my favorite of all time. I love their jump rings. You get lobsters, and you get crimp beads. So look at this value, guys. This is great. This is a huge value for $20, shipped straight to your door. And if you use the coupon code, you get it for 13 something. So yeah, this is a great box this month. I love this. Last month, I was not a huge fan of. This month, they have redeemed themselves. This is beautiful. So check them out. Curated bead box. I will have links in the description box below, and I'm going to move this aside so I can pull out my friend mail from Beth. So I want to say thank you to Beth. She always sends me cool stuff, and I have it in this little basket here. I actually got it several days ago, but I've been so crazy busy, I haven't been able to unbox it. All right, so Beth, she is Crafts by Beth. Let me pull her card out here real quick. And you guys can check her out. Where's her card? You can check her out. She makes beautiful things and very unique things. And I can't find her card, and I know I had it right here. Here it is. Very unique things, great for Christmas gifts. Let's just say that, because Christmas is coming. So here's Beth's card and her information. You can pause this if you need to take down her information. Her website is bngserve@yahoo.com. Got it? Okay, so let's see what Beth sent. This says for days you can't get to the beach. Oh boy, there are those days. I don't like them. I went to the beach yesterday. I spent the whole day, me and my aunt went to the beach. It was so much fun. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Now, I've got to say, she just makes these bracelets and they are stunning. They're fantastic. She made a flamingo one for me, and every time I wear that, people just go nuts. And I always tell them, oh my goodness, look at these, Beth. I'm telling you, every time you amaze me just a little bit more. This is a strong magnetic clasp. I love the magnetic clasps because, look at that. So easy to get on. These are, look at that seahorse, guys. Y'all have got to check her. Think about Christmas gifts for people. Look at that. Absolutely stunning and unique. Nobody else is going to have what you give this person. You can tell them it's handmade. I mean, yeah, what a great. Beth, these are gorgeous. I have got to say. Absolutely gorgeous. Wow. All right. And then she sends all kinds of goodies to me. She sent a bunch of charms. I love charms. And I don't have a lot of gold charms, so this is really cool to get. Oh, look at the elephant. So there's an elephant in there. He's so cute. There's all kinds of good stuff. We've got nautical. Ooh, there's a spider. Did you know that was in there, Beth? I bet she did. We've got some wine glasses. We've got Jesus fish. Little seahorses. Oh, a butterfly. Look at this car. Ah, that's super cute. So, wow, a bunch of charms. I will go through those and separate them out because I put animals in one thing. I put nautical in another thing. I put, you know, I'm weird that way. But those are cool. I love to sort things, though. So that'll be fun for me. Thank you. And then she sent a bunch of 8mm pearls. I'm getting ready to do a bunch more seashell jewelry. And I love to use pearls on that because it's just goes along with the nautical theme. So these will come in very useful here in the next little bit. Thank you, Beth. Those are beautiful colors too. Look at that. Oceany, sandy, beachy. Very pretty. Put them back in here. That way I don't lose things. I'm saving the interesting thing that I'm looking at for last. So stand by, people. That's what Chris always says on the phone. He'll say stand by. When he's working. Got to go do something for somebody. Oh, look, more pearls. 6mm. Got some 8mm bicones. I love how she labels everything, too. Ooh, those are pretty. Wow, look at those. Those will be pretty in ocean-themed jewelry. 8mm drops. Those are very pretty and sparkly. Look how sparkly these are. Woo. Look how pretty. Wow. Now watch me not be able to get all those back in that little baggie. Yep, I did. She did good. And then 4mm bicones. And these are sparkly too. Ooh, pretty. These colors, you know, just sitting here looking at this, I would never think to do this on my own. But just the way these are, this would be pretty as a bracelet, like 5 bead netting and then the embellishment on top with all these colors. Wouldn't that be pretty? Just a whole bunch of colors together. That would be cool. Wow, pretty. Okay. And then she made a bracelet for me. Another one. Oh, look how pretty. I have a shirt that this will go perfectly with. Yes, I do. It's light blue. Oh, look at that. You guys have got to check her out. I'm telling you, she makes such beautiful things. This is sized perfectly for me as well because I don't like my bracelets to flop around too much. Now, the woven kind, like, let me just clarify that. This kind I don't mind to flop around because it shows all of the prettiness of it. This kind I like to stay in place. And beaded ones, like regular strung beaded ones, I like to stay in place. But that's gorgeous. Look, it looks like lace. Look at that. Wow. Beth, you're amazing. And here, okay, so this is the thing that's got me intrigued. What in the world is this? Let's look. It is a long string of beads. Wow. I swear, she's so creative. Oh, is this a necklace or a bracelet? It could be either. It could be a very long necklace that you wrap around 2 or 3 times. Like, this is cool. And only Beth would do this way. This is creative. You are so creative. Okay, so here's the clasp. Like, wow. You could take this and wrap this around your neck like 10 times, and it would be a very cool, layered looking. And I did get the thing in a knot too. I would get the thing in a knot. Let me unclasp it so I can undo this knot. Or you could wrap this like a million times around your not your neck again, your wrist. And what a cute, cute wrap bracelet. Which I don't know which she intended it for, but it would work either way. Okay. And I won't be able to get it clasped because Chris is at Walmart. And I know I won't be able to get this lobster clasped on my own, but I'm going to wrap it around my wrist and show you guys what I mean. I'm trying to I got it tangled up. Yes, I did. Leave it to me. Oh, this is so cool. This is one long thing. Okay, so here's what I mean. So you would take it and just wrap and wrap and wrap. And this is so cool. Look at this. I would wrap them over each other. I think that's just very boho. Awesome looking. So yeah, take it, just wrap, 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 wrap. That is a cool bracelet. And then you would clasp it. She's done that perfectly. It comes out perfect. Look at that. Look at all that. That is awesome. I love it. That is super cool, Beth. I think that's what you intended this to be. Tell me if I'm wrong, please, because I could totally be wrong. But it works for this, and it would work as a necklace, too, if you just layered it, you know, around your neck. Not up around your neck, but, you know, kind of hanging like 2 or 3 loops and then clasp it. That's super cool. Love that. Thank you. And I'm intrigued as to what is inside here now. Oh, it's a lollipop. Root beer float. Yum. Thank you, Beth. That's so sweet. I haven't had breakfast yet. I'm about to break into this and those lifesavers that Sam sent. So that is my friend mail from Crafts by Beth, and my curated bead box unboxing. So thank you so much to Beth. Check her out, guys. I'm telling you, she really makes, well, you can see. I mean, you can see this right here. This is stunning. That little seahorse. Oh my goodness. And the starfish. Look at that. And I love the shells. I love it all. So check her out. Crafts by Beth. There's her information again. And I'm going to get off here. I've got a bunch of stuff to get done. I really do. I'm overwhelmed. But I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.